Get on. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. I am getting on the train. I am getting on the train. Get off. I must get off the bus at the next stop. I must get off the bus at the next stop. Get off the train at the next station. Get off the train at the next station. Put on. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on your coat. Put on your coat. Take off. Take off your boots. Take off your boots. He takes off his jacket when he gets home. He takes off his jacket when he gets home. Run away. The thief had run away when the policeman came. The thief had run away when the policeman came. You can't just run away from the situation. You can't just run away from the situation. Come off. A button had come off my coat. A button had come off my coat. His hair began to come off. His hair began to come off. Take out. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. How many teeth did the dentist take out? How many teeth did the dentist take out? Look after. Can you help look after the kids? Can you help look after the kids? Please look after my luggage for a minute. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Grow up. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. All plants like to grow up towards the sunlight. All plants like to grow up towards the sunlight. Tear up. Why did you tear up that letter? Why did you tear up that letter? Just tear up the contract and be done with it. Just tear up the contract and be done with it. Pick up. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Can you pick up the pen for me? Can you pick up the pen for me? Fill in. Fill in your full name and address. Fill in your full name and address. Get up. She finds it very difficult to get up early. She finds it very difficult to get up early. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. Get in. Get out.